Welcome to Risk Finance Regulation 360, your space for clear, careful insights into risk, regulation, and modern finance.
Imagine a world where every rupee sent through UPI and every corporate RTGS transfer speaks the language of global finance. RBI is quietly embracing ISO 20022 to transform our financial systems into a cohesive, efficient network. This isn't merely a technical upgrade. It marks a fundamental shift from fragmented domestic practices to a unified standard that enables interoperability on a global scale. As we move away from outdated methods, we begin to understand the limitations of our current approach. Let's explore what we are leaving behind. The transformation hinges on understanding the contrast between old and new systems. While our domestic frameworks like UPI grew rapidly, they were built on rigid formats that limited data flow. Relying on outdated SWIFT-MT messages meant multiple inefficiencies, from limited information to high reconciliation costs. In contrast, ISO 20022 introduces structured data blocks and rich XML messages that support high-capacity data streams and automation. This roadmap points to a future where financial data is both robust and seamlessly integrated. The move to ISO is not a sudden event. It's a phased migration that has been underway for years. We saw the first major step in 2020 when RBI launched Next-Gen RTGS, the high-value settlement system, on ISO 20022. The next critical milestone hits in late 2025. That's when Indian banks must achieve full SWIFT ISO compliance, meaning no more legacy MT messages for cross-border payments. Following that, domestic rails like NEFT are next in line for migration and enhancements starting in 2026. This timeline shows a clear commitment to moving beyond the limitations of old formats. At the heart of ISO 20022 is the transformation in data quality. Whereas the old systems confined remittance details to a mere 100 characters, the new standard allows for up to 9,000. This means every transaction can carry comprehensive metadata including full names, addresses, and invoice details. Such rich, machine-readable information not only enhances transparency, but also paves the way for automation in processing. It's a shift from cryptic codes to a detailed digital dialogue that unlocks true value in every transaction. The shift to rich metadata fundamentally changes the economics and compliance of payments. First, auto-reconciliation is now possible. Machine-readable data allows banks and corporate ERP systems to match payments instantly without manual intervention. Second, compliance visibility skyrockets. Rich context helps compliance teams identify the real purpose of transactions, drastically reducing false positives. Finally, this all leads to massive cost reduction. It reduces the manual fixes and investigation times that currently cost the global financial system billions. This strategic advantage is what makes the whole effort worthwhile. Now let's look at a real-world example of this efficiency gain. We just talked about why ISO matters. Now let's look at a real-world example of the efficiency gains. Imagine an Indian exporter paying a supplier in Europe. The old way meant truncated details arrived at the beneficiary bank, forcing manual checks and multi-day reconciliation delays. This slows down cash flow for everyone. The ISO way is completely different. Full structured remittance data arrives, which allows for automated posting directly into the corporate's ERP system. The result is same-day payment settlement and immediate liquidity. This shift from multi-day delays to same-day settlement is the core value proposition of ISO 20022. This kind of efficiency is why the entire world is moving to this standard. This evolution is not confined to India. It mirrors a global shift in financial standards. Early adopters like the European Union established benchmarks with initiatives such as Target 2, while systems in the United States, including Fedwire and CHIPS, are advancing toward full ISO compliance by 2025. As the global phase-out of legacy MT messages approaches, India's Next-Gen RTGS system and upcoming NEFT reforms underline a commitment to excellence across borders, steering the world toward a unified and efficient financial future. Consider the transformative power of unifying messaging across our domestic payment networks. RBI's vision is to create a seamless ecosystem that bridges high-value settlements and retail transfers, converting fragmented systems into a unified model. With NGRTGS already migrating high-value transactions to ISO 20022, the momentum is clear as NEFT follows suit. This convergence not only streamlines cross-border interactions, but also fosters domestic dynamism. Ultimately, such unification lays the groundwork for broader innovation and sets the stage for UPI to further enhance its reach and efficiency in a competitive global landscape. This progress embodies strategic change and potential. UPI's rapid efficiency is now bolstered by the robust framework of ISO 20022. The standard introduces international connectivity, linking domestic operations with global systems such as Singapore's PayNow and UAE's innovative trials. Enriched back-end data not only enhances fraud detection through advanced AI filters, but also refines transaction analytics, providing deeper insights into liquidity management. As a result, UPI is positioned for long-term scalability and resilience, ultimately addressing inefficiencies inherent in traditional systems. In essence, this integration elevates UPI's performance to meet global standards. This strategic enhancement remarkably propels UPI into a new era of global innovation. Manual intervention remains a critical, yet hidden, cost in our financial transactions. With up to 30% of cross-border payments requiring human intervention, due to poor data quality and ambiguous codes, operational inefficiencies run deep. The ISO 20022 framework targets this pain point directly by ensuring comprehensive, structured data. This reduces errors, minimizes costly investigations, and accelerates settlement processes. The resulting efficiency gains not only safeguard margins, but also deliver tangible return on investment, marking a clear step forward in modernizing our payment systems. These improvements pave the way for a more agile and resilient financial future. Manual intervention in cross-border transactions imposes hidden costs that drain operational efficiencies. Poor data quality triggers returns and lengthy investigations, significantly impacting margins. With ISO 20022, these inefficiencies are dramatically reduced. Studies reveal up to 40% cost savings through automating data accuracy and streamlining exception handling. Enhanced back-end analytics empower banks with real-time insights for liquidity forecasting and swift reconciliation. Ultimately, this digital transformation accelerates processing times and safeguards profitability, marking a transformative improvement in today's financial infrastructure. These improvements not only boost efficiency, but also empower financial institutions to navigate a future of sustained stability. Early adopters provide clear evidence of ISO 20022's transformative impact. Global leaders like JP Morgan have achieved smoother FX settlements with reduced operational friction. Closer to home, Indian banks benefiting from NGRTGS report a marked decline in transaction queries. With cleaner, more complete data, inefficiencies are minimized and processing accelerates. This real-world experience underscores that enhanced data quality not only streamlines operations, but also supports robust liquidity management, benefiting both banks and their customers. The measurable gains from early adoption set a benchmark for future financial innovation. These outcomes affirm that early ISO adoption drives lasting excellence. Enhanced efficiency extends far beyond banks, directly benefiting end users by offering clearer transaction details. Imagine a banking app that provides context beyond a basic credit notification, a complete description that links payments to specific invoices and purposes. This structured approach ensures that disputes are resolved faster and with greater accuracy. By transforming routine notifications into informative transaction stories, financial institutions can reduce errors and build trust. Ultimately, richer metadata drives operational improvements and elevates the entire payment experience for individuals and businesses alike. This evolution not only enhances clarity, but also fosters customer confidence in modern finance. Rich, structured data forms the backbone of next-generation financial services. By enabling advanced fraud detection through AI and providing real-time liquidity analytics, Data unlocks a spectrum of value-added solutions. Corporate treasurers benefit from instant operational insights while embedded finance initiatives trigger automated supply chain financing. Furthermore, standardized messaging facilitates smooth interoperability between emerging digital currencies and traditional systems. In essence, this data-driven transformation paves the way for innovative services that not only streamline operations, but also enhance strategic decision-making. The future of finance now rests on enriched, actionable information. This evolution defines the next era of financial innovation. The coming years are set to redefine our financial landscape. Within the next 1 to 2 years, India will cement its commitment to ISO 20022 adoption. November 2026 marks the enforcement of structured address mandates, driving cleaner beneficiary data and more precise cross-border routing. Concurrently, the full NEFT migration promises unified messaging across retail and high-value payments. UPI, leveraging this robust backbone, is poised for international expansion. Together, these milestones solidify India's standing as a leader in digital financial infrastructure, ushering in a future of enhanced interoperability and global competitiveness. This marks a pivotal moment in finance. In today's rapidly evolving financial landscape, interoperability has reached unprecedented levels. The journey from segmented domestic systems to a unified, central engine now paves the way for seamless India-to-world transactions. This singular language of payments not only bridges domestic networks like NEFT and RTGS with the global SWIFT core, but also supports the G20's vision of faster, more economical, and transparent cross-border remittances. Such fluid connectivity transforms everyday business operations, positioning India decisively as a global financial hub by enabling efficient, reliable, and scalable payment infrastructures across continents, empowering unprecedented economic growth and continuous innovation for progress. ISO 20022 ushers in a paradigm shift for businesses by transforming how money is managed. Its structured data, including invoice numbers and purpose codes, removes much of the ambiguity traditionally associated with transactions. With automated reconciliation aligning payments seamlessly with ERP records, manual interventions become a relic of the past. As a result, companies enjoy reduced days sales outstanding, liberating vital working capital. This efficiency not only minimizes time-consuming investigations, but also cuts down on the burden of correcting payment exceptions. Ultimately, these advancements enhance operational agility, setting the stage for an improved everyday consumer financial experience. Retail users continue with the familiar interface while the underlying system undergoes a significant transformation. Now, every UPI tap benefits from a smarter, data-rich architecture that enhances both speed and transparency. This upgraded framework delivers detailed confirmations, clarifying the purpose and fees associated with each payment and reducing disputes. The enriched data not only improves consumer confidence during international transfers, but also fortifies regulatory oversight. It is a decisive step forward that not only elevates everyday transactions, but also sets the benchmark for a more streamlined, secure global payment environment that caters to modern financial demands effectively. Regulators now benefit from a system that integrates granular tracking without imposing additional reporting burdens on banks. By embedding detailed metadata into every transaction, including context on purpose, parties, and invoices, the system enriches raw data into actionable insights. This seamless integration feeds real-time information into regulatory dashboards, enhancing oversight and strengthening measures against money laundering and fraud. As financial flows become more transparent, authorities can quickly identify anomalies and act with greater confidence, ensuring that both compliance and security standards are elevated to meet modern challenges. This transformative shift paves the way for a resilient ecosystem. Delaying the migration to ISO 20022 is not an option. Banks that hesitate encounter operational disruptions while global peers embrace streamlined, standardized connections. For corporates, procrastination results in efficiency losses as manual processes continue to erode profit margins and slow cash flow. In a competitive market, missing out on rich, data-driven payment corridors can lead to market exclusion. Adopting the ISO framework ensures future-proof resilience, automated scalability, and positions institutions to leverage emerging technologies such as AI. Ultimately, embracing this robust platform becomes essential for staying ahead in an increasingly dynamic financial landscape, ensuring lasting operational excellence. Looking ahead to 2027, the financial landscape is set to undergo a profound transformation. Full ISO 20022 adoption will unify domestic high-value and cross-border payments, fostering a data-rich ecosystem that underpins the next wave of innovation. This unified framework not only standardizes messaging, but also fuels the development of programmable money and AI-driven financial services. Although there is an associated cost, this groundwork builds the necessary infrastructure for a future-proof financial system. Embracing these changes now creates a resilient backbone essential for driving technological and economic progress, paving the way for sustainable, long-term market leadership globally recognized. While the migration to modern payment systems presents challenges, including significant costs and rigorous testing, the benefits far surpass these hurdles. The RBI's phased approach minimizes disruption during the transition, ensuring that any operational strains are managed effectively. In upgrading legacy systems, both banks and corporates stand to gain immense efficiencies by eliminating manual interventions and reducing error-prone processes. The transition paves the way for a data-driven future that unlocks innovation potential. Ultimately, the long-term gains in operational resilience and financial agility justify the short-term pains and investment required, charting a new course for financial excellence globally. Digital payments start with a core movement, a high-speed transfer that fuels our economy. But then ISO introduces an intelligence envelope, adding essential standardized data like purpose and invoice details to each transaction. Building further, an AI insights layer employs advanced analytics and fraud detection to unlock deeper value. This layered approach transforms basic transfers into enriched exchanges, setting the stage for innovative services we have yet to envision. Such a strategy is pivotal in modernizing financial processes and sustaining India's competitive position on the global stage. It clearly heralds a new era for financial innovation. India moved decisively on RTGS, aligned on cross-border standards, and now domestic unification accelerates our competitiveness. The shift to ISO 20022 is gaining momentum globally, with many economies set to achieve compliance by late 2025. India's strategic moves, including NG-RTGS and swift cross-border alignments, position us as a digital leader. Our domestic payment rails, exemplified by NEFT and others, ensure a robust financial plumbing that is world-class. This harmony of data and efficiency truly pays off as we lead in global adoption. This decisive journey reflects the powerful interplay between technology and efficiency, indeed fortifying our future. One major IT services giant once struggled with legacy systems where remittance matching could take 3 to 5 days, tying up valuable working capital. With the introduction of ISO 20022, the process shifts to same-day auto-matching. Full structured data enables transactions to be reconciled instantly, integrating seamlessly into ERP systems. This remarkable change not only accelerates financial operations, but also optimizes cash flow. It exemplifies the tangible impact of adopting ISO standards to boost efficiency and deliver real, bottom-line improvements for large corporates. This evolution not only streamlines processes, but also fortifies overall business agility, remarkably so. India's payment infrastructure is evolving into a global benchmark for digital excellence. With UPI already world-class, ISO 20022 now acts as the backbone that connects domestic rails to international corridors. The dramatic reduction in reconciliation time for large corporates exemplifies this progress. By enriching data flows and standardizing transaction details, India not only ensures operational efficiency, but also lays a robust foundation for global trade and economic growth. Such integration paves the way for enhanced interoperability and cements India's position as a leader in digital finance. This bold strategy redefines the future of financial connectivity and innovation. Every everyday transaction through UPI gains an underlying power with smarter backends. Standardized data now enables faster processing, robust fraud protection, and prompt dispute resolution. With full transaction context, any discrepancies are handled more efficiently. This improvement in backend services not only shields consumers, but also builds trust in the digital payments ecosystem. The transformation empowers everyday taps with hidden strength, ensuring that even minor transactions contribute to a secure and agile financial system. This foundational shift marks a significant upgrade in our payment infrastructure. Ultimately, this evolution transforms our daily taps into powerful tools for progress. The shift towards ISO 20022 is unfolding rapidly. With full domestic adoption expected by 2026 and a breakthrough innovation wave in 2027, the standard is set to transform payment ecosystems completely. As global structured data mandates drive cleaner, more efficient transactions, this evolution unlocks programmable money and digital innovation. By 2028, these transformative changes will solidify India's leadership in digital payment infrastructure. Such a timeline underscores not just regulatory compliance, but a visionary leap forward that combines efficiency with cutting-edge technology, powering the future of money. This dynamic transformation redefines financial services for the coming era globally. The financial future is not a distant promise. It is being constructed here and now. With a robust digital backbone and intelligent data standards, every participant in the financial ecosystem is gaining a competitive edge. Through steady transformation and deep dives into emerging trends, we can unlock new potential in digital payments. This call invites you to become a part of an evolving narrative that merges insight with action. The journey towards financial evolution continues, offering clarity and edge for those who stay informed. Ultimately, informed vision transforms today's efforts into tomorrow's financial leadership with sustained lasting innovation. Thank you for joining this exploration into the future of money in India. We have journeyed through transformative timelines, witnessed the integration of ISO 20022, and seen how every transaction now carries deeper significance. The evolution from legacy remittance systems to digital, data-rich processes signals a foundational shift in our financial infrastructure. This shift is not merely technical. It is about building resilience and global competitiveness, ensuring that every UPI tap contributes to a broader vision of progress. These insights show that every digital advance boosts efficiency while laying the foundation for an economically resilient, tech-driven future globally.
Thanks for watching. For consulting and advisory engagements, you can reach us at regalwiseconsulting@gmail.com. Please share your thoughts in the comments and suggest the topics you'd like us to cover next.